Hey, this is Andrea, and this is Shifty Mcgifty and Slippery Sam. The Aliens Are Coming by Tracey Corderoy. Miss Peachy Pie's Pamper Cafe. Shifty and Sam were twiddling their thumbs. They had nothing better to do, and that's because all week their cafe had been empty. Then who should Sam see coming down the street with a gang of her posh friends but Duchess? "Customers!" cheered Sam. "At last," Shifty smiled. But Duchess and her friends swept right past. "Can't stop," called Duchess. "Off to have lunch and get my nails painted while I eat." They hurried off. "Eh?" said Shifty. "What cafe does nail painting around here?" As Sam gave a shrug, Fred drove past, his car as shiny as glass. "Nice day, boys," he called. "I've just had the best coffee. Miss Peachy Pie even washed my car as I drank it." Miss Peachy Pie? Shifty narrowed his eyes. "Sounds like a new cafe's just opened." "No wonder we've been empty all week," groaned Sam. "We need to take a look at this Peachy Pie place. Come on." The boys headed off, but were soon overtaken by a gang of excited border collies. "She's such a little star, that Miss Peachy Pie," said one. "Best cafe for miles," said another. "I'm having a trim and blow dry with my lunch," beamed the third. "A blow dry with lunch?" Sam shook his head. Ridiculous. They followed the crowd into the poshest part of town, where all the little shops were so fancy. They had chic wooden shutters, ice cream-coloured canopies, and lollipop-shaped rose bushes in flower pots. Then, at last, the boys saw what the fuss was all about. With a gasp, they looked up at the very sparkly sign. Miss Peachy Pie's Pamper Cafe. Hanging in the window was a long, gold-framed list of everything this cafe had to offer, and a lot of it was absolutely free. "Hey, Sam, what even is a mocktail?" asked Shifty. But Sam had disappeared. "Sam? Sam!" gasped Shifty. "What are you doing?" Sam was inside Miss Peachy Pie's cafe having the time of his life, and he wasn't the only one either. The place was jam-packed with happy-looking customers eating gorgeous-looking food and drinking yummy-looking drinks. And at the same time, they were all being pampered to the nines. Some were having their nails done or their hair trimmed and styled, and the stylists were all chic-looking cats in swish uniforms. "Oh, Shifty," beamed Sam. "You should try one of these. It's a mango mule mocktail. Yum, yum." Shifty gaped. "Sam, are you crazy? This cafe will put ours out of business." There were cupcakes of every flavor topping you could think of, and eclairs in the shape of dainty swans. There were macaroons too, brightly colored flamingo ones, and a huge smoothie bar with a sign that said, "Help yourself to everything, and more." Their old cafe customers were looking so relaxed. Rover was having long, colourful hair braids, while Duchess was getting her nails done. Lady Woofington was there too, being styled for a party. Even little Hercules was chilling out with a cucumber face mask. "Time to go, Sam," frowned Shifty, whisking Sam to the door. But Miss Peachy Pie caught up with them before they could head off. "Free umbrellas, boys," she said with a smile, "just in case it rains. We don't want Sam's blow-dry going frizzy now, do we?" "Ooh, thanks," beamed Sam. But Shifty gave a tut. "Come on, Sam." They edged away from the perfectly turned-out cat with her big twinkly smile and neat apron. But the moment they were out of earshot, Shifty glanced back. "She's too good to be true," he muttered. "What do you mean?" asked Sam. "There's just..." Something fishy about peachy pies, said Shifty. And if folks keep choosing this cafe and not ours, well, it's going to be bad news. You mean, Sam gaped, and his bouncy curls flopped, our cafe will close? For good? So, what do you think is Miss Peachy Pie's secret? And what should Sam and Shifty do?